Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up fractional shares with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To set up fractional shares with Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the required personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section of the website or app. Look for the option labeled Stocks or Trading. Select this option to access the trading interface. In the trading section, locate the search bar to find the stock you wish to invest in. Type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. Once you find the stock, click on it to view its details. On the stock detail page, look for the option to buy shares. Select Buy to initiate the order process. Choose the option for fractional shares if available. Enter the dollar amount you wish to invest in that stock. Confirm that the system shows the equivalent fractional share quantity based on your input. Review all the details of your order carefully. Make sure to check any associated fees or commissions. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking the Preview Order button. Once you've reviewed your order again, click the Place Order button to complete the transaction. After placing your order, monitor your portfolio to confirm the purchase of your fractional shares. You can find these shares within your account's holdings section. Congratulations, you have successfully set up fractional shares with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.